Good morning. Good morning to all. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So Vaishnavi is there. Vaishnavi and Vanshika. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi is not there. Soheli, take attendance in 10A. Soheli, attendance. Class 10A students attendance you take, and Vaishnavi you take 10B attendance. And show it to me tomorrow. I gave permission to 4-5 people only. Those who want to go to the prayer. The remaining all should attend. It's a mandatory. Yeah. So till now only 25 people joined. 25, not 30 people joined. Yeah. In 3.2 exercise, we will discuss 2-3 problems and then we'll go ahead to elimination method. And tomorrow morning elimination method I'll explain 2-3 doubts and I'll start probability topic. And by Sunday it will be completed. That was the planning. Right. Exercise 3.2, third Roman. There are 5 questions, word problems. Exercise 3.2, I have discussed first Roman, second Roman take it as homework, and third Roman word problems. The first problem is, the difference between two numbers is 26. One number is 3 times the other, find them. This is the question. Difference of two numbers. So, since it is given difference of two numbers, that means what we have to understand, out of those two numbers, one number is greater, the other number is smaller. Okay. So let the bigger number be x and smaller number is y. Their difference is given as 26. This is what we have to understand. Difference of two numbers is given 26. That means one number is greater, the other number is smaller. So let the greater number be x and smaller number is y. Then x minus y is 26. And one more condition is also given. One number is 3 times the other. Here one number means the greater number. One number means the greater number. So greater number is 3 times the smaller. This is the second condition that is given to us. So two conditions, we got two equations in two variable. I think we can replace x variable in the first equation so that we can get y variable. Is that right, children? So you need to give answers. You need to give answers. Find out x value, y value quick. 3y. X minus y 26. Find out x and y. First equation with 3y. 3y minus y is 26. 2y 26. Y is 13. Y is 13. Okay. Y value 13. And we know x minus y is 26 na? X minus y 26, but we got y 13 na? 26 plus 13, 39. So one number is 39, the other number is 13. So the common solution is 39 comma 13. Common solution is 39 comma 13. Yeah. Second question you see. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. I told you that supplementary angles means if sum of two angles is 180, they are called supplementary angles. If sum of two angles is 180, they are called supplementary angles. So let one angle be x, the other angle is y, then x plus y is 180. If it happens so, then those two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay. So first condition that what we have to take, x plus y is equal to 180 because the angles are supplementary. Now second condition, larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 means the difference between them is 18. So in the beginning what we have to take, larger angle is x and smaller angle is y, then x plus y 180 and x minus y is 18. So we got both two equations, x plus y 180, x minus y 18. Now in order to apply substitution method, what we need to select the equation now first. Which equation we will select? I am not asking the answers. So which one we will select? Second equation. Okay. But Aniket told first. Go ahead with the second one. Replace x with 18 plus y. Replace x with 18 plus y in the first equation. Replace x with 18 plus y in the first equation. And simplify. Yes, good. Now, very good. 9981. Very good. 9989. Good. Next question. Third question homework. Third question homework. Fourth question. The taxi charges in a city consists of fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, charge paid is 105. And for a distance of 15 kilometers, charge paid is 155. For a distance of 10 kilometers and 15 kilometers. In a particular city, the taxi charges will be in two forms. One is the fixed charge, the other one is charge per kilometer. Charge per kilometer. Okay. So if a person travels 10 kilometers, he has to pay 105 rupees. He has to pay 105 rupees. And for a distance of 15 kilometers, he has to pay 155 rupees. Okay. But this charge will be in two ways. One is fixed charge, the other one is charge per kilometer. Charge per kilometer. So, for traveling distance 10 kilometers, he has to pay 105 rupees in the form of two charges. One is the fixed charge, the other one is charge per kilometer. Okay, na? Let the fixed charge is X rupees and charge per kilometer is Y rupees. Suppose a person hired a taxi in that particular city, and after hiring the taxi, he don't want to travel in that, but he has to pay the fixed charge. Since he hired the taxi, even though he did not travel in it, he has to pay the fixed charge. Since he did not travel, this charge is cancelled. Charge per kilometer is cancelled because he didn't travel in that taxi. That is what you have to understand. మీరు ఊబర్లో ఓలాలో ఇలా చూసుకోవచ్చు. మీరు రైడ్ బుక్ చేస్తారు, వాడు క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఓకే, అలా కాకుండా మీరు క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే యూ హ్యావ్ టు పే మినిమం ఛార్జ్. ఆస్క్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్, they will tell you if they have that experience. Okay, so here a person traveled 10 kilometers and he has to pay 105 rupees. Now we need to form an equation by using this situation. Now for this 105 rupees, fixed charge is X rupees and charge per kilometer Y rupees. Charge per kilometer is Y rupees. So 10 kilometers, 10 Y rupees. So first equation is X plus 10Y is equal to 105. Okay, na? Now coming to the second one. Again, fixed charge X rupees, charge per kilometer Y rupees. Fixed charge X rupees and the charge per kilometer Y rupees. So fixed charge plus 1 kilometer Y rupees and 15 kilometers 15Y. So we got two equations. One is x plus y is equal to 10. X plus y, sorry, x plus. Can you hear me? Yeah. So x plus 10y is equal to 105, x plus 15y is equal to 155. Now you need to answer what is x value and what is y value. Solve at home, not here, solve at home. Okay. Now, fifth question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added both numerator and denominator. The fraction becomes 9 by 11 when we add 2 to the numerator and denominator. It becomes 9 by 11. So, at first, let the fraction be x by y. Let the fraction be x by y. Initially, the fraction is x by y. Let it be. Okay, na? Now, it becomes 9 by 11 when we add 2 to numerator and denominator. When we add 2 to the numerator as well as to the denominator, it becomes 9 by 11. Is that understood, children? Let the fraction is x by y. It becomes 9 by 11 when we add 2 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. Okay? Now second statement. If 3 is added both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. If 3 is added for both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. If 3 is added for both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Now do cross multiply. 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. 11x plus 22, 9y plus 18. So 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. 11x minus 9y is equal to negative 4. Equation 1. In the same way, find out equation 2, children. Find out equation 2. Find out equation 2. Vaishnavi, 6x minus 5y is equal to 3. 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. So 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. 6x minus 5y is equal to negative 3. It is not 3. Negative 3. So we got two equations. Yeah. And we need to solve these two equations by substitution method and find x and y value. Find and x and y value. I consider these equations 11x minus 9y is equal to -4. 6x minus 5y is equal to -3. Yeah. So can any find out the solution for these two equations? x7 y9, x7 y9. I'll write the answer over here. x7 y9. Is that answer correct? Is that answer correct? Okay. Now, exercise 3.2 is over and I am explaining elimination method. Finding the common solution using method of elimination. Sixth question. Where it is? Only 5 are there, na? Okay, that you can do as homework. Sixth question homework. Easy one only. Right. Now, there are two equations and I want to find out the common solution using elimination method. Yeah. Elimination means we need to remove one variable. We need to remove one variable. What is that? What is your doubt, Kashmir? What is the doubt? So whenever you are doing age problems, always consider the present age as x. Present age. Always consider present age. Okay. Then you can move forward or you can move backward also. Let the present age of Jacob is x years and his son is y years. Okay, na? Let the present age of Jacob is x years and his son is y years. Okay? Now, 5 years hence. 5 years hence means after 5 years. Jacob becomes x plus 5, son also becomes y plus 5. Now, what is the condition? Jacob will be 3 times his son. That means x plus 5y. X plus 5 is equal to 3 times y plus 5. This is equation 1. Let the present age of Jacob x years and present age of his son is y years. And 5 years hence, Jacob becomes x plus 5 and his son becomes y plus 5. Is that right? At present, Jacob's age is x years and his son age is y years. So 5 years hence, Jacob becomes x plus 5 and his son becomes y plus 5. Then this Jacob age will be 3 times his son's age. This is what the first condition is. Now, second condition, 5 years ago. 5 years ago means 5 years ago. Jacob becomes x minus 5 and his son becomes y minus 5. So this x minus 5 is 7 times y minus 5. What is the difficulty in it, Kashvi? Is that okay now? Kashvi, is that okay? What is your conclusion? Is it clarified now or the same confusion you are having? Is it clarified now? Many people are not answering from 10B. 10B, I didn't see any answers. Even Vaishnavi, where is Vaishnavi? Why she is not answering? What is your name? Random Sayan. Who is that? Aditya Vignesh. Yes, you have to prepare RS Agarwal. See here, there are two equations and we need to find out the common solution by the method of elimination. Okay. In the elimination method means we need to remove one variable. So in order to remove one variable, first we need to select the variable that we want to remove it or we want to take it out. Selecting the variable is step 1. Selecting the variable is step 1. So tell me which variable that we can remove here from these two equations. Select one variable, children. Any variable. Okay. Bashita says y. Aniket y. Nirmas y. So everyone is saying y. So we will eliminate y. Now, observe the coefficients irrespective of signs. Don't look at the signs now. First, see the coefficients 9, 5. 9 and 5. The coefficients are 9 and 5. So what is the LCM of 9 and 5? LCM of 9 and 5. Anyone? 45. Very good. So multiply the first equation with 5, second equation with 9. So it becomes 55x minus 45y is equal to negative 20. 54x minus 45y is equal to negative 27. After finding the LCM, just what we have to do? We need to equate the coefficients to the LCM. Here 9 is there. So I want to make it 45. So I am multiplying the whole equation with 5. And here it is 5. And I want to make it 45. That's why I am multiplying whole equation with 9. Now you can observe both the coefficients becomes 45. Now see the signs. Now observe the signs. both are having same signs. Both are having same signs. So subtract the equations. If they have same sign, subtract the equations. 55 minus 54 is 1x. Now, minus 45 minus 45 becomes plus. Minus 45 minus 45 becomes plus. So these two get cancelled. Now, minus 20 minus 21 it becomes plus. Minus 20 minus 27 it becomes here plus. So, 7. So, x is 7. X is 7. Now, find y. Find y. You can keep here or here, your wish. 11 into 7 minus 9y is equal to negative 4. 77 minus 9y is equal to negative 4. Minus 9y is equal to negative 4, negative 77. Minus 9y is equal to negative 91. Y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9. Now Vaishnavi and Soheli, write down the names of the students who left after joining, who left the class. Write down the names also. Who had joined the class earlier and now left the class. Okay. So see, you can observe here x9, y9. Even in substitution method also we got the same answer. Even in substitution method also we got the same answer. Okay. So, irrespective of method, we'll get the same answer. Common solution doesn't change. That is what you have to observe. One more we'll see. One more. Yeah. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. And 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So, as I told you, step 1 is selecting the variable. So, select the variable, children. Select the variable. Y. Maximum people says Y. Very good. Good selection. Now, observe the coefficients. 4 and 2. 4 and 2. What is the LCM of 4 and 2? What is the LCM of 4 and 2? 4. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. That means No need to multiply the first equation with any number. Don't multiply because already 4 is there. But multiply the second one with 2. Multiply the second one with 2. But first equation no need to multiply with any number. 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Now observe now both the coefficients are same. Both the coefficients are same. Now observe the signs. Observe the signs. They are different. The signs are different. So we need to add the equations. If the signs are different, we need to add the equation. If the signs are opposite, means same. If the signs are same, we need to subtract. That is what we have to understand. Here signs are different. So add both equations. 3 plus 4, 7x. These two get cancelled. 10 plus 4, 14. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Okay. Now, substitute this x value over here. 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. Then what is y value, children? Kangar ekwa. Aniket kangar ekwa. y1. Very good. So the common solution is 2, 1. Yeah, one more we'll see. X by 2 plus 2y by 3. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to -1. X minus y by 3 equal to x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Yes. So two equations are like this. Any idea, children? First select the variable, or before selecting the variable we need to do something. Is that right? Before selecting the variable we need to do something. Is that right? What is that? LCM. Yes. Convert the fractions into good. Now here LCM is 6. So 3x plus 4y is equal to -1. Then 3x plus 4y is equal to -6. And here LCM 3x minus y is equal to 3. 3x minus y is equal to 9. When we multiply these two, it becomes 9. Now, select the variable. LCM is over. Select the variable, children. Select the variable. Y. Y, right? You are not observing the equations. Why? Observe both equations. 3x plus 4y is equal to 6. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Why we have to go to y? Consider x only. 3x minus y is equal to 9. Coefficients are equal. Even signs are equal. Coefficients equal and both are positive. Signs also equal. So what we have to do? Coefficients equal, signs equal. So what we have to do? Add or subtract? Yes, we need to subtract. We need to subtract. 3x minus 3x, 0. 4y minus y becomes plus, means 5y. And minus 6 minus 9y becomes minus 15. Minus 6 minus 9 becomes minus 15. That means 5y is equal to 15. Then y is equal to negative 3. Y is equal to negative 3. Okay. Now find out x value, children. If you substitute here, you will get x value easily. Find out x value. X value 3x minus of minus 3 is equal to 9. 3x plus 3 9. 3x is equal to 9 minus 3, which is 6. X is equal to 6 by 3, 2. So x is equal to 2. Yeah. Yes. We will see one word problem. There is a fraction x by y. I am taking it 2 times because I have to get 2 equations now. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, fraction reduces to 1. That means add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, it becomes 1. That is what he is saying. There is a fraction, let it be x by y. There is a fraction, let it be x by y. If we add 1 to the numerator, that means x plus 1. And subtract 1 from the denominator, that is y minus 1. It reduces to 1, means it becomes 1. So equation 1 done. Now, it becomes 1 by 2 if only add 1 to the denominator. It becomes 1 by 2 if you add only 1 to the denominator. Now simplify and tell me the answer, children. Yeah. When we do cross multiply, x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. So x minus y is equal to minus 1 minus 1. X minus 1 is equal to minus 2 here. And here 2x is equal to y plus 1. 2x minus y is equal to 1. Okay. Now we can easily select y because y coefficients are same. 2x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is equal to negative 2. Now y coefficients are same and signs also same. So we need to subtract the equations. We need to subtract 2x minus x is x. Minus y minus y becomes plus y, cancel. Is equal to 1 minus half minus 2 means 1 plus 2, 3. X is 3. Is that right, children? Y coefficients are equal. Moreover, they are of same sign. Same sign unte subtract cheya. If they are of same sign, we need to subtract na. 2x minus x, x. Minus y, minus half minus y, then it becomes plus. So minus y plus y becomes 0. Here, 1 minus half minus 2. 1 minus half minus 2, it becomes plus 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. X is 3. And you can substitute here. You can substitute here or here, your wish. 2 into 3 is equal to y plus 1. 6 minus 1 is equal to y. Y 5. X 3, y 5. Okay na? So exercise 3.3 you complete it today, and if you have any doubts you can ask me tomorrow in exercise 3.3. Any doubts you can ask me tomorrow, otherwise I will go ahead with probability. Exercise 3.3 complete it today. Complete it today. That means this chapter is done except your doubts in exercise 3.3. Is that okay? Okay. So that's all for today. You can leave the class. Dhanyavad. Bye.